Thanks to technology, having a virtual background is now easier than ever. I'm going to teach you how to do it. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is open up Capcut. Here we go. Here's what the desktop version looks like. Oh, I should do an update, but I'm not going to. First thing we'll have to do is just this little button, Create Project. It looks like any type of video editor here. You'll want to notice here is your toolbar with all the things that you can do. The first thing I'm going to do is import the video that I just recorded. I happen to have airdropped it to myself, so it's already there. Perfect. Now, I need the virtual background that I want to put back there, okay? Here is what I did to create a virtual background. I just brought it into Gemini, and I used Nano Banana, and I said, please make this logo into a tiled background that I can use for video. This is my logo, and this is what it made me. So, not too bad, not too shabby. I'm going to download the full size. There we go. And just bring that puppy right into Capcut, again, into this media feature, right? Now, what we're going to do is select the video. Do you see how there's audio down here? I want to make sure it's starting right where my audio starts. So there you go. I just drug it over. But I'm going to select this piece of video, select it. See, when it's selected, there's a little box around it. And all these fun things you can do your video pop up suddenly. Right here, it says remove BG background. So we're going to do that. We're going to say auto removal. Okay, I'm just going to click it. Processing. Usually it's pretty good. So we'll see. Okay, there we go. It even picked up on some of my little weird hairs that we got here. Good deal. And then all we have to do is we drag this down because that's our background. And we just want to make sure that this one is on top. Okay. All right. So you see what I did there? I switched them. And then I want to make sure that this background is big enough so that it fills the screen. So that thanks to technology, having a virtual background is now easier than ever. I'm going to teach you how to do it. So if I wanted to make sure that the background, I can do this little flip, right? I'd still have this original video that has my background in it. So if we wanted to go one step further, virtual background is now easier than ever. And I did the snap, one, for a visual reason, and two, because I wanted to make sure that I had a point that I could line up to make sure. And if you want to splice something here, that is easy to do. You just hit split. So I'm actually going to take this over everything else. All right. Thanks to technology, having a virtual background is now easier than ever. I'm going to teach you how to do it. All right. So it was easy as that. Then you just go ahead and go to export, and you're done.